Hi, everyone. So I got an email. This is about, I think, 2 weeks ago about how do we find salt and how do we use salt for like our own data. So I'm going to show everybody how to do this here. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, okay, is you're going to want to have your own data. All right. So right here is just some data of proportions. I have no idea what these proportions represent. I just know it's just data that I found on my computer somewhere. Okay? So, in order for us to use this inside of Salt, we have to save the file in a very special way. And it's not special like you got to do all these crazy computer things. It's just you just save it as what we call a CSV file. So let me show you how to do this. So once you have your data here and everything, you're going to go to File. You're going to go to Save As, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change where I save this out here. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my desktop. All right. And right here in this drop down menu, you got all these different file extensions that you can save it as. The one that we want is right here. All right. It's called CSV, which stands for comma delimited. In other words, this is just a basic file that all these different spreadsheet softwares can really read. All right. So let's just go ahead and click on CSV. And the file name, I'm just going to call it up proportions. And save. So now that I have it saved, the next thing is, okay, well, how do we import this into Salt? So, oh, wrong button here. Oh, what just happened? All right, there we go. So if you go into our Blackboard course, on the left-hand side, I added a new link. Hold on one sec. This is the wrong class. All right. So right here it says salt. Okay. So if you click here, it's going to take you to the salt homepage, which is right here. And they already have some data sets here available for you to look at if you want. But if you want to import your own, you have to come over to here on the left-hand side where it says upload CSV. So that's what we're going to click on. We're going to click on upload CSV. And we have a raw data set. Now, maybe later on in the semester, we'll talk about frequency tables and two-way contingency tables. But for now, we have a raw data set. So we're going to click on upload. And then you're going to find where you actually saved that data set. So since I saved it to the desktop, I'm going to go ahead and click on proportions, click on open, and I'm going to select all the variables. Now, you can, before you import this, you could tell Salt, are these quantitative or qualitative variables? In other words, are they numerical or are they categorical? So the proportions were numerical, so we're going to stick with numerical, and we just click on select. It gives you a breakdown. Here are all the data values you have, okay? If you have more, it's going to go ahead and give you more pages to click on. But from here, all you have to do now is just click on any one of these links above. So let's say we wanted the the descriptive statistics. Click on descriptive, the mean 0.1967, the standard deviation, the number of data values in the sample set. Here's our 5-number summary. We can maybe do a graph or something like that. Maybe we do a box plot or a dot plot. We just got to select the variable. Here it is right here. I mean, there are all these different things you can do. Later on in the semester, we're going to learn about the different types of distribution calculators, like the normal, binormal, T, F, and chi-square. We're going to look at the sampling of all these, like how many samples do we have and generate and stuff like that. So we can extrapolate inferential statistics. We can do any type of test that we want as long as the data is appropriate for the test that we want. And finally, regression. We can't do regression on this because you need 2 variables, all right? But that's basically it on how you import data into Salt. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.